Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do we have today? Well, we have one of the most popular trucks here, the Toyota Tacoma, and we put on one of our new Bak Revolvers. But before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. So come on over here, buddy. By the way, buddy, our master tech is behind that camera today. He's also the gentleman who installed everything you see here. By the way, you're walking over, hit that like button and subscribe and get it out of the way. So here we go. We got two things. We did the Revolver X4s with the T-slots, and we did the Elevate system by Truxedo, which is a real truck product, actually both real truck products. And this is an older Toyota. It's a work truck, and he wanted this for ladders and other things like that. And that's what we're going to be using this for. Now, let's go ahead and, now it's not as clean as maybe some other trucks, but we can still show you the cover here. So let's take a look. Now, the Revolver X4ts does come with a 5-year warranty. Now, if we install it like today, it gets doubled to 10. It has a 400-pound weight capacity. It is a rolling cover, and as you can see, it does have dual release mechanism. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can open it up. So let's go ahead and roll it up here. Now, what's nice about this, he's using this for work. So if he needs full access to the bed, with this setup, as you can see, you don't lose any bed. Also, when it's all the way up, it doesn't cover the rear window. Now, there's a little strap around here. This comes around here. It basically just kind of scrolls down in here. And so you put it in there, you turn it, and then you just kind of snug it up. There you go. And that is pretty much holds it in place. When you're done, you kind of push it down a little bit and just let it hang there. And what's nice, it opens and closes very easy. And when you get to the end, you just kind of grab both sides here and locks it down. It's got a little dirty on there. So now the Elevate system, now that's got a 3 different settings. Right now it's at the lower setting, which is 19 inches. Then it goes up to 25 and all the way up to 28, depending on what height you want it. Now this has a 3 weight capacities. If it's static, which is parked, let's say you're overlanding, you get a roof tent camp on here set up, it holds 750 pounds. Now if you're driving around town, it's 500 pounds. Now if you're off-roading, you're hitting some hills and whatever, the capacity drops down to 250. Basically, the 500 pounds is your most accurate setup, by the way. And these do sit on the bed cap, so the weight is distributed all the way here. And another nice thing, as you can see, it does have a T-slot, so if you want to add tie-downs, you can with this as well. All in all, it's a really nice setup. Now, if you like this, you can come here to the store, let us do the install for us. Let us double the warranty. If not, you don't live here in Florida, not a problem. We'll go ahead and ship it anywhere in the country. We basically take care of the continental USA. We also do Hawaii, Alaska, Puerto Rico, and now we're doing outside the country, which is Jamaica and Brazil. So we got a lot of places we can ship to. Again, come here, let's do it. Double the warranty. If not, we'll drop ship it anywhere for you. This is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories and review of the Truxedo Elevate system and the Bak Revolver X4ts on a Toyota Tacoma. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.